Remember when we would dance until the morning? I held you close and we danced the night away. Somehow I got lost following your footsteps. I was too slow. You never changed your pace. So I fell behind and you left me all alone. A starry-eyed, tearful child, so far, far from home. Trying to catch up, reaching out desperately. Oh, you never looked back. You never saw me. And it's hard not to remember the last time we danced goodbye. I only can remember the last time we danced. You said goodbye. You said goodbye. Said goodbye. Somehow I survived. Face those ancient memories. I never thought I'd see your face again. Oh, but here you are, facing my love and mourning. It seems I haven't cried tears in vain. You say you need me now, and you've changed your mind. It's just not so simple for me to go back in time. And it'd be so easy, oh, to dance this night away. Take this moment as you give it, forget all about the past. But I still remember goodbye. I only can remember the last time we danced. You said goodbye. You said goodbye. Last time we danced.